Introducing the 2022 Nissan Altima. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, satellite radio, remote engine start, keyless start, backup camera, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection. Feel relaxed and confident behind the wheel of this stylish Altima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.